Hi guys, I'm finally doing this. I'm finally doing my intro video, whatever it's gonna be called. So I'm just giving a brief explanation of what I will be doing in my next videos that will be coming. So my videos will mostly be about hair, makeup, and topics as well. I will be doing a lot of topics. Sometimes I will be using different cameras, so don't complain about that. But yeah, I will be doing different topics. You guys could always send me requests about what to do, like for example hair, makeup. You get a lot of girls want to know how certain things are done, you know, how to do it properly. I don't know how to say it, but yeah, you guys could send me comment on my videos, or you can go follow me on Twitter, request me on Twitter, go follow me on Instagram. You guys can comment over there as well, and you can add me on Facebook. So all the links will be down I don't know where, but yeah. So you guys can go follow me on Twitter, like I said, on Twitter, Facebook, add me on Facebook, follow me on Instagram. I will even follow back. Like, I don't mind following back everybody, especially if you guys are supporting me. I would love to follow you guys back, get to know my followers more. Please do share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. That is my main goal, to get as much as likes and subscribers. Also, like my videos. Like, if you want me to do something better in my videos, I will do it. Like, I will listen to whatever anybody has an opinion. I will listen to you. If you have like suggestions of what I can do, like I said in the beginning, you guys can always send them to me. I will do as many suggestions as I can. For the beginning, I know I'm not gonna have a lot of likes or anything, but I do have a few videos planned already. So yeah, this is just a brief explanation. I will also be doing topics. That's what I forgot. Yeah, my topics will be about just everyday life. You know, don't get offended, because I know some people, like, not to use foul language, but like some people get offended really quickly. The thing is drawn to them. It is not. Like and subscribe. I will also be starting school, hair and beauty school, in May. So my videos will get, I will even get more videos. I will even show you how to cut hair, dye hair. A lot of girls want to know how to do my eyebrows as well. All these videos will be uploaded. So please comment, share, subscribe. Go follow me on Twitter. Tell me what I can do better. If you have any suggestions, please let me know. You know, like, I just want to make this better for you guys, and I've been trying to do this for a really long time. So please do support me. So that's it. I guess I will be uploading videos very soon, so please just show love, support, and that's it.